In this video, we are going to unbox the Volkswagen Touareg. Welcome to Miniature Wheel. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. Kindly watch this video till the end. Uh, Volkswagen. This is my favorite color in the Volkswagen. Let us unbox this car. I bought this car from RMSZ City, but I bought it from a store. Even though the box is untidy, I just bought it because I love the color way it is packed also. So I just open it. The color is really attractive, and Touareg means camel. They have worked on Q7 chases. This original car has worked on Q7 chases, and this car has come really very nice in 5 inches diecast segment. Um, I just unscrewing it. It's done with the two screws. Mm, yeah, it's good actually. And brown, it's a really nice color. Most of my cars. Overall, the car detail is so nice and clear in this thing. Logos of the car has been done with the screen printing. Wheel alignments is, wheel arches, wheel design, everything is nice, and it has a pullback mechanism also. And the front end of the car is really attractive. And in 32, 1 is to 32 scale, most of the car will not come with the door frame, but this car has come with a door frame. That is the one main reason I have bought it immediately by seeing it. And both the side it opens, but none of the other opening parts or moving parts are inside except the wheel. None other thing is going to move in this car. And in the underneath the car we can find some details of it. And it's really awesome car. See the door opening, it's little tight and tough. Yeah, it is open right now, and it closes smooth also. I really like it way opens and close. It's very exactly resembles like a Q7 when I hide it from the front side. That is the one main reason I love this car. Like this video and subscribe to our channel uh, to watch more video from our channel, and thank you for watching.